Hi friends, and welcome to Yarn Chronicles. Today I'm keeping it super simple and showing you the 2 stitches that can unlock so many beginner crochet projects: the chain stitch and the double crochet stitch. With just these 2, you'll be able to practice and eventually make things like scarves, dishcloths, hats, and even a cozy blanket, which is perfect for this time of year. I'll be using a 4-weight yarn, 100% acrylic, and a 5mm hook because it's affordable, easy to find, soft, and really forgiving for beginners. It's the perfect combination to learn on, and it's easy to wash. So now I hear this all the time. I don't have the patience to crochet, or crochet just looks too hard. But the truth is, it's really all about practice. Say it in the back, practice. Once you get the hang of these 2 stitches, you'll realize how doable and fun it actually is. Once you find your rhythm, you are golden. All right, so grab some yarn, grab a hook, and let's walk through these stitches together. And if you enjoyed this video or want more beginner-friendly crochet content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me here on Yarn Chronicles. I'll be using a big twist yarn. It's 100% acrylic, and the color is sage. This tells you the weight of your yarn. This one is 4, medium, and it also goes over the hook sizes. And this will tell you the skeins per project. I have my 5mm hook, my darning needle, and then a stitch marker. I typically don't use stitch markers for these projects. I definitely suggest, if you're new to counting, to use a stitch marker at the end of each row. And then also don't forget your scissors. So this is how I create a slip knot to start my project. Now you put your hook through your loop and just pull tight. So you take your hook and go under the yarn and pull through. Now yours should look like this. We're going to do that again. That was 1 chain. So yarn, pull. Now you have 2. The hoop on your hook does not count. Yarn over, pull, 3. See? 1, 2, 3. So when you have a chain, or when you're working, do you see that V? That means that is 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one kind of messed up. There you go. You are basically a professional. So this is the front, and now we're going to turn the chain, turn it over like this. So you see the V's, you want to rotate. So you see these little back loops. This is what you want to see, these little back loops. that is what we will be working in next. Now we'll be going over a half double crochet. You yarn over, go through the back bump on your chain. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through. You should have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all of those loops, and that is a half double crochet stitch. Yarn over, go through the next bump. This will be 2. Yarn over, pull through just that first bump, and then you'll yarn over and go through all 3 loops on your hook. And you'll do that for the rest of this row, doing a half double crochet in the back bump. If you would like, this is where you would add that stitch marker, and that counts as 1 stitch. We'll continue the half double crochet . All right, so we are at the end of the row and we're just finishing the last couple stitches using the half double crochet. All right, so to finish, we will chain 1. And then you'll turn your work. And you have successfully completed your first row. Now we will be going through that entire stitch, doing the half double crochet. You yarn over, go through the first stitch, yarn over. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go in the next stitch, yarn over, and now you'll do that until you get to the end of the row. And then you're in that last stitch. Remember, chain 1, turn your work. Yours should look like this. Now, to add some sass to your projects, we are going to work in the back loop only. Right here, I'm showing you what the back loop only is. Instead of going through both of those loops, you'll just go through the back part of your V. You yarn over, go in that back loop only, yarn over, pull through. See how you go right in the middle of the V? I personally love using this for my beanies and my scarves. Again, when you get to that last stitch, you'll chain one and then you'll turn your work. You can also see the difference that the back loop creates on a pattern. So we'll go ahead and work in the back loop only using the half double crochet stitch. So now we'll just fasten off, which is you'll chain, and then you pull through. And then you'll just use your scissors and cut off that tail. So I'm not going to board you on sewing in your ends, but essentially I like to go through the pattern a couple times with my loose ends, just hiding them and making sure that nothing will come undone. And there you have it, your half double crochet stitch. And that's it, just the chain stitch and the double crochet. With these two stitches, you can practice and grow your skills. And before you know it, you'll be making scarves, dishcloths, hats, and even blankets. Remember, don't stress if it feels a little awkward at first. That's completely normal. Just keep practicing. It will start to feel natural in no time. This is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to feel like a job. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Yarn Chronicles for more beginner-friendly crochet content. Thanks so much for watching this, and happy crocheting.